All right, well, clear skies overhead once again. Temperatures dropping up on South Hill. It's not as foggy as it is down in, say, Riverfront Park, but visibility is still pretty good. You can still see a few miles. Now, yesterday, I lied to you. I don't know how else to say this, but I lied to you. I said it's been a slow start when it comes to snowfall this winter. I actually went and looked up that stat. Believe it or not, we have seen double the amount of snow that we would normally see coming into this day right now. Literally double. So it has not been a slow start to winter. And this little break from some of that snow isn't a sign of things to come. It's just a little bit of a break. We set up a blocking pattern, and oftentimes those can have a big role in what we see for a week or so, but they don't tend to influence the overall trend. Seeing some thick fog in Coeur d'Alene early on this morning. Fog here in town, fog down in the Tri-Cities area again this morning. All of this is a sign that we're seeing that boundary layer kind of shift, and what that's going to do is bring about more fog for us. In fact, Wenatchee and Moses Lake just fell right off this graphic. They're gone. Now, I'll figure out what's going on there, but temperatures are in the 20s there. We're in the 20s in both Spokane and Coeur d'Alene early on this morning. We have our air stagnation advisory in place. This lasts until Tuesday because of that sinking air. Still not a concern with air quality just yet, but we are watching it. Remember yesterday's storm? It didn't do anything. We got another one that's going to try. Once again, not really going to do much, not until the next one kind of starts working its way in. Look what it does. It starts eating at our ridge. What eventually winds up happening is we get a little disturbance moving into Oregon. The jet kind of splits and lets it go down to our south. For us, what that does is it puts more clouds in the sky and it kind of caps our atmosphere a little more, gives us a little more moisture. So by Sunday, it is a day of fog and then clouds as we head into the afternoon. Just be ready for it. By the time we get into next Tuesday, still looking promising for some of that mountain snow and some more of that precipitation working its way back in. So fingers crossed, it's eventually going to happen. Today's temps, basically yesterday. We're basically hitting the repeat button with a little more patchy fog this morning. I think Sunday is our foggiest day of the next few. That's going to keep those temperatures down in the mid-30s. Next week, ahead of Tuesday's storm, we are going to see a front do what fronts do, and that is bring about warmer temperatures and cloud cover before the rain and snow returns.